Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First time using a face primer to prime my face. Next I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you very much. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake as well. Next, I'm using CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Next is brow time. I'm using Davy's brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up the brows to define them more. Define the brows. It's a concealer. For my eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Cosmetics I'm using a purple shade first for my outer crease. Today we are doing colors. Purple for the outer crease first. Then orange for the middle eyelid, for the center of the eyelid, orange shade. The yellow in the other eyeshadow palette is not coming out, so I changed the eyeshadow palette to this Nuban Obsession eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the yellow shade in this palette for my inner crease. Yellow, purple, orange, and yellow for the eyes. Colors. Using a orange shade to blend the edges to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm using NYX Milk Zumbo pencil for my waterline. And I'm using the same eyeshadow shade, the purple first for my lower lash line, then I'll use the orange and the yellow, just the same thing I did on my eyes. Purple first, orange in the middle, then yellow in the inner tear dot area. Eyeliner time. I'm using the liquid eyeliner to line my eyes. It's a little wing, and I'm wearing mascara now. First lashes time. Wearing my lashes now. I'm using a powder puff to blend my face, to smoothen it together. Next is blush. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup for my shake. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this Younger Beauty, their Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish to highlight my face. Next, I'm using this MAC Fix Plus Spray to set my makeup, then mascara for my lower lash line. Next is lips. I'm using this 2 liquid matte Lipstain from Zekel Cosmetics. Is a Kiss Proof matte lip stain. I'm using 2 shades. The first one is the dark one is Don't Tell, the first one which I used to line my lips. Then the second nude shade is Naked for my lips. Then I'm using a clear gloss from Absolute for my lips too. Thank you guys for watching my video. I appreciate it. God bless you. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. Thank you for supporting me.